Yun, no? So, good morning mga kap. Ah, continuation to nung unboxing natin kanina. So, hindi tayo nakaalis ng gabi. So, ngayon na lang tayo umalis. Alright. I think it's 4 a.m. So, testing lang natin to in comparison. So, medyo mukha tayong tanga ngayon. Tatlo-tatlong camera yung nakakabit sa atin. Lolo ko yung TPMS natin Anyway, so ayun nga, we're testing this Insta360 Ace Pro 2 Ace Pro 2 and comparing it with the GoPro Hero 12 Black with max lens mode. Okay, let's go. By the way, since ang nakamount sa helmet ngayon is yung Insta360, the audio is obviously coming from the Insta360. Right? I'm using the Cardo. Sorry, natilala muna ko. Anyway, so I'm using the Cardo Packtop Edge for the audio. So, wireless setup tayo ngayon. Insta360 connected sa Cardo Packtop Edge. I've already tried this before, so I know na halos wala siyang background noise. Halos hindi tinig yung motor. Halos hindi tinig yung motor. But then that is with X2 RX2. So maybe this one, this may setting siya na bukas pareho yung microphone niya. I've seen it, there's an option for both cameras to be active. I'm hoping that is not the case. I'm hoping na hindi siya ganun katahimik. Ay masasaga pa ring audio yung mic ng unit itself. At umaampo na nga mga kaibigan. Not a good start, not a good sign. Pero sana hindi naman lumakas. Anyway, if ever naman, may dala naman tayong kapote. Plus waterproof naman yung mga device natin, so okay lang. Lang hassle pa rin pag umulan. So by the way, this is the first time that we're gonna be using this. First time natin gamitin yung Insta360. Nakita nyo naman kanina, kinuha lang natin sa shop ni paring Alex. So we're gonna test it out. So hindi ko pa rin talaga alam kung kumusta yung field of view niya. kasi sanay ako sa GoPro na 170 degrees because of the max lens mode. But then sa ganito kasing setup sa gabi, yun yung problema sa GoPro eh. Ulat sa low light. Para lumalakas yung ulan ah. Up. Sorry. Commercial break. Okay. So, eto tayo ngayon. Technically, just I don't know. Technically, magvo-voice over na lang ako. Parang gano'n. Because here's what happened. Unfortunately, hindi nag-record yung rest ng audio natin using Edge as the mic. And I know exactly the reason why. So, apparently, nung first few footages, it's working just fine. Alright? However, while on the road, to conserve battery, I had to turn off the unit, the Ace Pro 2. Okay, and I thought, since nagre-reconnect naman siya, although it takes a while, approximately 15 to 20 seconds before automatically mag-reconnect si Edge kay Ace Pro 2, I thought, automatic makaka-capture niya yung recording. So what I did is to use the shutter button, quick capture. That's how I turned it on para matic record na agad siya. Okay, so I turned it on. Obviously hindi pa nakakonect si Edge. And then at that point, ang nare-record niyang audio is from the camera itself. Now once it's connected, which is after 15 to 20 seconds, I thought automatic ika-capture nyo na yung sa Edge, yung sa Bluetooth device. Unfortunately, it didn't. Okay, so if you wanna do that, the best way is turn your phone, turn your camera normally. Kita mo, sorry. Turn your phone or turn your camera normally using the button on the side. Wait for the Edge to connect, or the camera to connect to the Edge. And then once done, then you start the recording. That's the only time na magre-record yung audio using Edge or any other Bluetooth device for that matter. Okay, and by doing that also, you will have both audio from the camera and from your Bluetooth device. Okay, and then you can mix it up using the studio app or the mobile app. So yan. Okay, so that being said, eto tayo ngayon. Like I said, technically parang mag-voice over na tayo. But technically speaking, I think successful yung comparison natin, yung test natin, to compare the GoPro Hero 12 Black against the Ace Pro 2. So here are the footages, paakyat. As you can see, ang dilim, but then the Ace Pro 2 was able to capture it decently. I mean, it's not super captured lahat, diba? But compared to GoPro, which is this one right here, literal na night and day yung difference, diba? Ang layo ng quality, ng footage. Napakalamig kanina sa Tagaytay, sobra. Zero visibility tayo. Lalo nung paakyat na. Ayan. Ah. At tapos maulan pa. Actually, hindi malakas yung ulan. Tuloy-tuloy lang siya na mahinang ambon. Which, obviously, pag nag-accumulate, wow, basa ka rin, kahit pa paano. Hindi yung soaking wet enough para lang lamigin ka sa temperature ng Tagaytay. It was like 19 degrees last night, at least based sa temperature gauge ni Nook. I saw it was as low as 19. So ayan, I'll show you guys first yung mga footage na nakuha natin kanina. Footages that I took on the way and back, and then I'll let you know my thoughts. There. So, if I'm going to choose, will I be using the Insta360 more often or permanently compared to GoPro Hero 12? Chances are it's highly likely. Highly likely. I can't say 100% sure na ito na lang yung gagamitin ko lagi, because I must admit, nasanay ako kay GoPro dun sa max lens mod na mayroong 170 degrees na FOV, field of view, versus 157 lang ni Insta360. Actually, yun lang eh. Yun lang talaga yung reason eh. Field of view lang. Other than that, everything's okay with the Insta360 eh. Sobrang okay eh. Yung convenient, yung battery compartment, hindi katulad ng GoPro na butya, kailangan mo pang baklasin lahat, especially pag naka-media mode ka. Kung mapapalit ka ng battery, you have to remove everything. Whereas kay Insta360, convenient, nasa gilid lang. Diba? So napakadali. Magnetic mount, although meron naman tayong quick release, pero essentially the same. It's essentially the same. Yun lang talaga. And then definitely yung night mode niya, yung pure video, it's a lot of difference. Oh, speaking of which, I realized nga pala, before I forget, I realized while pauwi kanina na umaga na, but then I was still using the pure video Ace Pro. So at this point, ayan, dito I stopped and switched dun sa normal video mode. I don't know if there's any difference, pero I guess we can see now that we're watching the video. We'll be able to see the difference. Pero ayan. lang mga kap. Pabalik na tayo. Pauwi na tayo. That's my initial impression kay Instance 360 Ace Pro 2. Shout out paring Alex, ALX Motorcycle Gears and Accessories. Gagamitin pa natin to definitely. More Insta360 videos soon from this Ace Pro 2. Kakaligutin pa natin to. Okay? Thank you so much for watching mga kap. I'll see you hopefully next week. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone. Babush!